Hey designers, in this video, we are going to create this motion graphic edit in After Effects. There will be animated lines, and it is going to be an easy tutorial for you to follow along. I'm going to start by creating a new composition. After that, let's turn on this professional grid. Then, let's take the pen tool and remove the fill, if there is any. Then, with the help of the pen tool, let's draw a line like this. Hold Shift while you do this, so the line follows a smooth path while you do that. So every time you click, just press Shift on your keyboard. It would help you have the smoother line. Let's make the line until the composition ends. After the line has been made, do a few adjustments to it so the arc is equal on all the sides. Now, take the circle shape, make sure no layer is selected, and draw a circle like this. Give it a white fill and remove the stroke. First of all, center the anchor point of this circle by clicking on this pan behind Anchor Point tool, double-clicking on it while holding the Control key on the keyboard. Once the anchor point is centered, we want this circle shape to follow the path of this line. Select this line layer, go to its properties, go to Contents, Shape 1, Path 1, and click on this path and press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. Once it's done, we have copied the path. Now, select this shape layer, this circle, press P for position, click on the position, and press Ctrl-V on the keyboard. Make sure the bar indicator is on the first frame. Now, the path has been pasted here, but it is going to be very fast, ending in 2 seconds. So, click on the last keyframe, and by holding Alt on the keyboard, move it to the 8-second frame or 10-second frame depending on how fast or slow you want it. Preview the animation to see how it is looking. Perfect. Now go to this line layer, Properties, click on Add, and choose Trim Paths. Go to Trim Paths 1, click on the stopwatch next to End, and make the end value 0. Move the bar indicator all the way to the last frame of the circle layer, and make the end value 100%. It will look like the circle is helping the line get animated. So I guess it is a very slow animation. So select all the keyframes by holding Alt on the keyboard, click on the last keyframe, and move them to maybe 4 seconds or 6 seconds so that it gets faster. Now go to Layer, New, and create a new null object. Select both the layers, the line layer and the circle layer, and click and drag this parent pick whip and drop it on this null one. Now click on this null one and press P for position, adjust the horizontal position of this circle, and click on the stopwatch next to position, move the bar indicator to the last frame, and adjust the position of it. If you still think that the animation is a bit slower, select all the layers, press U to see the keyframes of all of them, select all the keyframes, and by clicking on the last frame, hold the Alt key on the keyboard and adjust the placement. Let's apply more effects to it. But before we do that, click on this motion blur for all of these 3 layers so that it looks better. Let's apply more effects. For that, go to Layer, New, and create a new adjustment layer. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Noise. Apply noise on this adjustment layer. Adjust the noise amount. Now search for glow and apply the glow effect on it as well. Increase the glow threshold, glow radius, and glow intensity. Let's move this noise effect below the glow effect. Now preview the animation. Turn off this proportional grid. If you want to change the color of this circle, you can always do it by selecting it and changing the color. Let's give it a different color. Let's give it a mustard color. You can do a lot of changes to it for making different variations. First of all, let's move the bar indicator to the 4-second mark where the animation ends, and press N on the keyboard so that the composition is trimmed at this area. Now, preview the animation. I'll let you know how you can make variations of the same effect. Choose the Convert Vertex tool. And let's select this ball layer and click on this cornered area to make them curved. Now, we have curved the areas of the ball only. So, let's preview the animation, and you're going to see the ball is now following this curved area and not the cornered one. So, if you want the line to be curved as well, select this Shape Layer 1 and curve the line as well. Now, the ball will perfectly move on the line because both of them are curved. Once it's done and you want to make more variations to it, let me tell you how it's done. Select all of these Null 1, Shape Layer 2, and Shape Layer 1 and pre-compose them. Now take this Rotation tool and rotate this pre-composed layer. Let's flip it also. So right-click on this layer, go to the Transform option, and click on this option called Flip Horizontal. Adjust the position of it. Also, if you want, you can duplicate these layers 2 more times by pressing Ctrl-D on the keyboard. Move the duplicated layers to different positions and preview it. Adjust the positions of them a bit more and preview the animation. See how cool things get by making a few changes to it. And if you want to keep only one animated line, you can also do that by deleting the other two and getting amazing results. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it, comment on it, and do not forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.